Okay, darling. So this is me in my living room right now because my boyfriend's at work right now and kind of had a little bud. So sorry, but it's been a day. And it's just funny because, like I said, I'm a bartender. I've been a bartender for over a year and I like it. And people are like, how the hell can you not be tempted? And I'm telling you this right now, like Papa Gede, I did the working to him and literally bang. It wasn't, I'm going to tell you right now, it wasn't instant because I quit and then I had a really bad day and I drank 3 weeks later. But then literally, I think it was like within like a day, I just was like, I just don't want it. Like something just compelled me to just, throw like the bottle of whatever the fuck I was drinking just down the drain. And and it wasn't like, I'm determined to do this. I'm going to do this. It was just like, I wanted to do it. Like I wanted to do it more than anything I wanted in my whole life. So I was like, I gotta show you this video like I'm watching right now. I don't even know what the fuck this is. It's like YouTube something. And I don't know if you can see, like, I don't have my candles up, but there's probably Getty sitting like in front of the TV. He likes movies and shit. So, But, all right. So they're saying, I keep getting something with spikenard in it. Something with spikenard in it. Spikenard is a biblical herb. I cannot remember what the actual plant is that is spikenard, but Mary Magdalene used it to anoint the feet of Jesus. And one of the things that they're saying to me is they said Jesus cast out 7 demons from Mary Magdalene. Was she possessed? No. I'm getting a message that he cast out the 7 deadly sins, which are like sloth and gluttony, all that shit. And, I'm not super biblical, like I try, but basically he's saying that he wants me to create something specific to you. And he's like, because I keep getting, this is not Jesus that's channeling, this is Gede, but he said, something that's going to like wipe out the 7 deadly sins because it has something to do with I can't say this word, Abrahamic magic, which is like an old magical system of like ceremonial magic. And it's coming through really strong. So he's saying he wants me to create something for you. And it's really interesting because I just got bitter melon in my head, which removes so much bad fucking energy. And like, I have uncrossing oil, but this one, Papa Gede, he's specifically dictating for you. It's got bitter gourd, and I'm hearing like a bunch of like other stuff, and spikenard the plant, and spikenard oil, like from Israel. So he'd like me to create that for you. He's saying, like, I don't know how much of it you want, but I would say like it would be like 25 for like an ounce, if that's okay with you. And it's just, that's what I'm hearing, because it's gonna basically, for lack of a better word, it's not something that's gonna make her like, oh my God, I'm such a bad person, and like, oh, I have to quit heroin. Like it literally is gonna, for lack of a better word, it's gonna take away the power of the heroin spirit. Because remember, like, heroin is made out of poppy flowers, right? I don't know fuck a lot about drugs, but heroin is basically like taking the beautiful poppy flower and kicking it in the ass. That's a quote from Gede. I don't know what the fuck that even means, but the heroin withdrawals they're bad. She's gonna be like itching. She's gonna feel like she's outside of her body. Okay, that's what he's saying. And he's saying, just tell her don't panic, because tell her that she is in the process of awakening. Okay, and that's why, like, at this time she's like, that's it, I'm done. Because what that heroin, what that substance has done is diminished her ego, which is not a bad thing, but it's basically, it's put her in a place of hopelessness, and she's gonna do it. And like I said, like this, I don't know what we're gonna call this oil yet, because I got like, they're literally like putting ideas in my brain right now, but this is something that they would like you to order. So that would be 25, and whatever the cost of the Stop Addiction oil is, I don't even know. I also have Stop Addiction soap, and yeah, she can definitely, if she orders, she orders that spell, it's 25% off, which I'm not even sure how much the fuck it is, but like, it's going to be really, really effective. And she's going to feel a new he said a new spirit born within her. Like she's going to be so calm and at peace and just so damn happy, because it literally, like, this, this spell and this oil that I'm creating for you, like that's for her, is going to literally strip the fucking bones of that addictive substance, like, right off her. Like, this is pure, like, Papa Gede right here. Okay? Love you madly. Have a great day. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned it, but I have Gede Fed on Saturday at my godfather's house, who's voodoo priest Hungan Hector, if you know him or not. But, so I'm just telling people, like, like, I'm putting in a big petition to him. So if you want to get on it, just let me know. Thanks, hon. Bye.